Welcome. If you want to find download files on your DOOGEE S50, for the first we have to open the files, file manager, click allow, and as you can see, if we go here to the internal storage, we can find the download folder, and as you can see currently there is no data, but of course we can download something. So go to your browser, in our case this is Google Chrome, and now we can type here Selena Gomez, click on the graphic, and we can go for this photo, click hold, click hold and tap on the download image. Now we have to give access to our browser, click on allow, and right now it's downloaded. So go back to our file manager, file, internal storage, download, and as you can see there is this Selena Gomez picture. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comment and subscribe to our channel.